Peas. The scientific name is Pisum sativum. The story. Peas, Pisum sativum, are believed to have originated in the region that spans from the Mediterranean to Central Asia. They have a long history of cultivation and consumption, dating back thousands of years. The exact place of origin is not definitively established, but archaeological evidence suggests that peas were among the early crops cultivated by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Over time, peas were domesticated and selectively bred for various traits, leading to the development of different pea varieties with distinct characteristics. These cultivated peas eventually spread to different parts of the world through trade and exploration. Today, peas are grown in many countries across the globe, and different varieties of peas are cultivated for their edible seeds, pods, or both. Garden peas, snow peas, and sugar snap peas are among the most well-known and widely consumed types of peas, each with its unique culinary applications and flavors. Pea varieties. There are several varieties of edible peas, including garden peas, snow peas, and sugar snap peas, each with distinct characteristics. Some pea varieties, such as garden peas, are considered vining peas. They send out tendrils that help them climb and cling to nearby structures for support as they grow. Other types, like bush peas, have a more compact growth habit and don't require support. Pea plants exhibit a range of green colors, from pale and translucent green in the case of snow peas, to deeper and more vibrant green in garden peas and sugar snap peas. These physical characteristics contribute to the visual appeal and unique traits of different pea varieties, making them recognizable and distinctive within the plant kingdom. Physical characteristics. Peas exhibit a range of physical characteristics that vary depending on the specific variety and type. Pea plants are annual herbaceous plants, meaning they complete their life cycle within a year. They typically grow upright, supported by tendrils that help them climb or twine around nearby structures. Pea flowers are characteristic with their butterfly-like shape. They have 5 petals, including a large upper petal called the banner, 2 lateral petals called wings, and 2 lower petals fused together to form the keel. The flowers are typically white or pinkish in color. Pea pods, also known as baccaros or legume pods, are the fruit of the pea plant. These pods develop after the flowering stage and contain the seeds, peas. Pod size, shape, and color can vary between different pea varieties. Garden peas have plump, rounded pods, while snow peas have flatter and thinner pods. Sugar snap peas have thicker, crisp pods. Peas are known for their round or wrinkled seeds, which are contained within the pods. Seed size, color, and texture vary among pea varieties. The seeds can be smooth or have a wrinkled appearance, and they come in shades of green, yellow, and even purple in some cases. Cultivation. The height of pea plants can vary based on the variety and growing conditions. Generally, pea plants can grow to be around 1 to 2 feet, but they can be taller or shorter depending on factors like soil fertility, weather, and variety. Peas thrive in well-drained, fertile soil with good moisture retention. Loamy or sandy soils are ideal. However, in hotter climates, some shade during the hottest part of the day can be beneficial. Peas can be grown from seeds directly sown into the soil. Sow the seeds in rows or patches, with a spacing of around 1 to 2 inches deep and 2 to 4 inches apart within the row. Planting can typically be done in early spring or late summer for a fall crop, depending on your climate. Peas require consistent moisture, especially during flowering and pod development. Nutritional value and health benefits. Peas are not only tasty and versatile in the kitchen, but they also offer a range of nutritional benefits that contribute to a well-rounded and healthy diet. Peas are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, helps the body absorb iron, and promotes healthy skin. Peas provide a notable amount of vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Peas are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and supports cardiovascular health. Peas are relatively low in calories, making them a great addition to meals for those seeking to manage their calorie intake. The fiber content in peas supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds in peas may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Culinary uses. Edible peas are commonly used in cooking to add color, flavor, and texture to a variety of dishes. They can be enjoyed raw, steamed, sautéed, or added to soups and stews. Fun facts. Mendel's discovery. The famous scientist Gregor Mendel, known as the father of modern genetics, conducted his groundbreaking experiments on inheritance using pea plants. His work laid the foundation for our understanding of genetics. Peas and love. In medieval times, peas were considered a symbol of love and romance. Young couples would exchange sweet peas as tokens of affection. Typical dishes. Pea soup. A classic dish made from split peas, often flavored with herbs, vegetables, and sometimes meat. It's hearty, comforting, and comes in various regional variations. Mushy peas. A popular side dish in British cuisine, mushy peas are made by mashing cooked peas and seasoning them with salt, pepper, and sometimes mint. They are often served alongside fish and chips. Pea risotto. Peas add a burst of color and freshness to creamy risottos. Their sweet flavor complements the rich and creamy rice dish. Pea salad. A refreshing salad made with fresh peas, usually combined with ingredients like crisp lettuce, cheese, bacon, and a tangy dressing. Shepherd's pie. A comforting casserole made with layers of minced meat and vegetables, topped with mashed potatoes. Peas are commonly included in the vegetable layer. Pasta with peas. Peas are a great addition to pasta dishes, offering a burst of color and sweetness. They can be mixed into sauces or used as a topping. Pea and ham croquettes. A delicious appetizer or snack made by combining peas and ham, rolling them into croquettes, and then frying them until golden and crispy. Pea and bacon pasta. A flavorful pasta dish where peas are combined with crispy bacon, creating a balance of salty and sweet flavors. Pea hummus. A twist on traditional hummus, this version incorporates peas for a vibrant green color and a slightly sweeter taste. If you are interested in some specific recipes, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.